Hello beauty unicorns and welcome back to my channel and this tutorial doing this all matte warm eye look. This is, I don't want to say warm neutral look because this is not neutral. These are not neutrals. This is a yellow, an orange and a red, and I created this all matte look and I used some of the new colors from the new matte bundle by Devinah, and I do have a review up on this bundle and I will leave that up here in the corner. Do you hear that? That is literally the washing machine tearing the house down. Let's try and ignore that, shall we? This matte bundle is available today when this video is going up, and I am affiliated with Devinah. That's why I got this bundle early. So if you want to order from Devinah, I do have an affiliate code and that will be down in the description box. But me, like, getting things as PR will never sway my opinion about the things, and that's also why I wanted you to see it in action. So this tutorial is me using some of the mattes from Devinah, and yeah, let's get into the look, shall we? Okay, so no eye makeup on, and I'm gonna put some of these on my eyes. I'm gonna start with this yellowy one because I was dying to try the yellow, the orange and the red together. It is called Darena, and I'm gonna begin with that one in my crease as much as I can because I am crazy about yellow. I'm also putting some on my lid because I think I'm gonna keep the lid this mustardy yellow. So now it's time to go in with the more orangey one. It is this in the corner. Let's see what the name is. I haven't learned these names yet. It's called Iduna. Iduna. In Swedish we will call it Iduna. So you know what? Iduna would be actually a Swedish name, so we're gonna go with that one. Iduna. Feels like these are like midnight affairs. They're like inspired, I think, by more dark, dusky colors, but I do feel like some of the names are inspired by the north, and I will explain that with the next color to come because that has a very Scandinavian name. I'm sorry if you can hear any like noises in the background. We are doing our laundry and our friend that lives with us is doing his dinner. So there might be some sounds going on in the background. I'm sorry about that, but you know what? People has to live. This isn't a studio, this is a home. I'm really liking those two colors together. I mean, do you see that? That is beautiful. To be honest, I could just wear these two colors together and just be satisfied. That is a beautiful look. Yummy. I'm almost shocked at how beautiful these two are together. This is stunning. And they blended so nice. I hope that shows in the camera as well, like on video. But this looks so nice. I am blown away. I'm taking a bit more of that yellow and just doing the edges so we don't lose the yellow at the edges. Now I'm taking this like rusty red, but it's like a bright red but it has a bit of rust in it, and it's called Runa, but in Swedish it would be Runa, which actually means rune. So that's why I'm saying that I'm feeling that these might be inspired somehow by Nordic names. I'm not sure, but Runa, the red one, we're picking that one. I don't know if these are like coincidences. It doesn't feel like coincidence, does it? Ooh, it picked up beautifully. I'm just gonna concentrate this in the outer corner and just gently blend it into the crease, but I want to have this mostly in the outer corner. Ooh, pretty though. I just switched to a slightly smaller brush than the ones I had before. The two other colors I used a very fluffy crease brush with, the same brush, but now I'm just using a slightly more detailed brush, slightly more tapered, to have a bit more control so I don't get red everywhere. I'm using a bit of that middle orange under my eyes as well. Just blending it out, and then I'm going to take the red on the flat definer brush and just mark the eyes a bit. Define the eyes a bit. What do you say? Use it. Like one of these brushes, like flat but really thin. I use this and I just push the darkest color closest to the lash line so that I can get the same like gradient under my eyes as I have like above. So here I'm taking the red and I'm just lightly pressing that just under the lashes. And it's really easy when you have one of these flat, really pinched brushes that has like a total flat top. I really love that under my eyes for like darker colors. I'm going to use Colourpop's Punch, which is a gel liner in yellow, and I'm going to use that on my waterline. Okay, I think I'm almost done with the eye look. I'm just going to do some liner, mascara, and lashes, and I'll be right back and we can do something with the inner corner. Should we do that? Or should I leave it? We'll see when I come back with lashes. So this look is just out of my comfort zone in so many ways. First of all, it's all matte. I always use some kind of shimmer when I do an eye look. Also, I use the original Iconics today because I don't know. But I like him. I like him with this look. Also, I got a new House of Lashes lash glue. I found the last one at an H&M in my city, which I normally do not visit. But I visited them and they had one left for me. If you follow me on Snapchat, you would know how excited I was about this, because finally a proper lash glue. And if you're not following me on Snapchat, it's down below. You can always find all my social media in the down bar. I'm gonna continue the matte theme and just do some white as an inner corner highlight. This is just a matte white. Any matte white will do. But I think that when you have an all matte eye look, it is really nice to do your highlight matte as well, to keep with the theme. I think I'm just gonna do it like that. So I am actually gonna use this one. This is a Smashbox Lippy in Always On liquid lipstick in Out Loud. It is the orangey one. This just came to my country, not the formula, but this color. We didn't have this color before. I don't know why. So I refused to buy any from the brand, well, from the formula, because I wanted the orange one. But now I have the orange one, so I just had to buy it. Ooh. Very opaque, very liquidy. Smells like caramel. All of these smell like caramel. Like every liquid lipstick smells like caramel. Let me put this on. Not the best application I've ever had, and I have to say that this color is a bit more red than I thought it would be. Like, I thought it'd be more orange. It is beautiful, but I thought it'd be more orange. Am I stupid? Probably. But yeah, that is the finished look. That is everything for today. Don't forget that the swatches of all of these colors from Devinah, the new ones are up here in the corner if you want to have a peek at me swatching all of these. And yeah, that was everything for this look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The button is down below. I'd love to have you. I do upload quite a lot of videos and I would love to see you in my next one. Bye!